Hi everyone, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. I'm coming in real quick to show you guys one method that I do to feed, that was zoomed all the way in, to feed my soil, to feed my worms in the soil, especially if you have like soil that has no nutrients to it. You want to add some nutrients to your soil so your plants and your crops can grow healthy and strong and give you the things that you need for your plants to grow. But one method that I use that I found helpful to me is saving my food waste, and I show you guys. So I save my food waste and I put it in the freezer. These are about a gallon size bags, and I'll just stuff them in here and freeze them. And then when I'm ready to go feed the soil, I'll dig about a 6-inch trench in the raised beds, and I'll just dump maybe half of this bag in each of the raised bed. It doesn't need that much because, for one, I don't want any predators coming around trying to dig up, because a certain video here where I found a little hole from a friend that might have been trying to get to the waste basket that I put in the raised bed, the DIY vermicomposting waste bin that I made. Yeah, I think he tried to get to it, but it looked like it did its job because he didn't get to it. The basket was still intact, no holes were made or anything like that. Even the top was still on it. So yeah, but I also, one thing that I do, my daughter, she eats a lot of bananas. Okay, she's the banana queen, the little one. So, but another thing that I do, just for the purpose of just doing things fairly quick, versus getting a Ziploc bag all the time and dumping it in there, but it's just however you have space. But another thing is I have this, what do you call it, this bag, like a grocery or shopping bag, and I have it sitting on one of my shelves in the freezer. So whatever I want to waste, mostly, I don't know why I put that cardboard in here, mostly food waste, I'll just throw it in there, and it just sits in its own little spot in the freezer. And then as I am ready to feed the soil, the worms, I have more than enough. Okay, but yeah, I just want to come in and show you guys what I'm getting ready to do. I might insert a video of me doing it. So yeah. You have like peat moss, if you're adding freshly new peat moss to the garden and there's no nutrients to it, there is no real nutrients to it. You have to feed it. So add your worm casting, add food to it, add if you want to use granular fertilizer, all-purpose something to add to the soil, to feed it, to give it the nutrients that it needs. You just can't have straight soil, lifeless soil, because that's what it would be, lifeless soil, and you would get nothing from it. Okay, so add your good old nutrients to the soil, and I promise you everything will thrive and survive. Well, I don't know about everything. Sometimes we just take those loss that we have with certain things, but yeah, most of it. Okay, so add your nutrients to the soil. Alright, you guys, that is it. I was just coming in real quick to tell you guys to feed your soil. It's important to feed your soil because the soil feeds your plants. So feed your soil, give back to the earth, versus just throwing it away and it end up pretty much in the landfill. So why not use it yourself and give back to what you will be harvesting and putting back into your body. So yeah, circle of life. But that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this little quick video. Hope this inspires someone to go out and sow a seed. So let's do it. Bye.